Hey Dell, what's going on? How's it going? How'd you do today, Dell? Oh, me too, buddy. I'm on. I'm off too. I'm off too. Up today on the personal, John. Or the market up or down. I don't know. It's really weird. Feels like we pushed down, right? We got that that YM too that never filled the gap. Kevin, what's happening? Oh, the market? Yeah. I don't know. Boy, I think that YM is going to take out that gap eventually. Down here. And I think Nasdaq's going to follow it when it starts pushing, I mean, to the downside. $946, $956. I lost most of the Apex money, but I'm happy still. Oh, that's good, Dell. That's always good. Wicks and tails, off the rails. Yeah, for sure. Yo, Jim, what's going on? How's it going, guys? TCG, what's happening? Hey, John Sharp, what's going on? Dell, I have been testing these Lux Algo indicators, and for the most part they work. I don't actively use them though. I need to test them live before I start using them. Oh yeah, the Lux Algos, yeah. I've heard about them. Decent day if you avoided the chop, yeah. Yeah, Nicholas, for sure. Hard to have a bias for tonight, yeah. Keegan, what's going on? You think a pull down to 970s and a slow grind up? Test that wick. I don't really know. I mean, it broke the bear flag there when on the close, but Yeah, the only thing I keep thinking, it doesn't mean much to the NASDAQ really, but boy, that Dow still got that 80-point gap down there. It left it. So that's pretty interesting. So I'm gonna be watching that on the Dow. Thought we were gonna get it here on this push down. As you guys saw, that's when I blew up my pro accounts after being right up there in a payout. So yeah, Nate, thank you. Hey Marco, what's going on? Hey Donna. Just gonna post in the chat. So a couple minutes before the market opens. Hey, Dell, thank you, buddy. Oh, let's see. Sorry, I'm messing around with the chat here. Hey, J Money, what's happening? Got an email from TopStep, and I'm moving to a live account. Nice, Nicholas. James, what's happening? Kazan, what's going on? Dell's gonna give you free kisses, whoever donates to the stream. Appreciate you, Dell. NQ loves to retest the candle opens and sweeps before a big move. She's a tricky one, yeah, for sure. We are pushing. Oh, not looking at. Market is open, guys. So right at that 20,000 mark. Gold hitting 3,100. Yeah, I know, crazy. Thank you, Bobby. Enjoy the pizza. I got myself a frozen pizza tonight because I didn't want to make anything and then make a mess in the kitchen because I gotta leave in the morning. Amelia, what's going on? Daniel Mid, Lassie for Trader, how's it going? All right, so the market 19,995. So it's hanging right out of the 20K mark. Very interesting day today. It was a good day for me financially. I don't think I have a funded account left though. So it's a good time for me to take a break. I've been working on these Buell and Ox accounts here. These accounts are almost blown. But yeah. Did alright on the personal. So $5,635 on the personal today. We had that YM trade as well last night. That was actually last night we made the YM trade on stream actually. So yeah, but all the funded accounts I think are gone. So hey, Honest Take, what's going on? Good afternoon, good evening. Got a pretty big gap up here. The 5 minute, good 20 points, 25 points. Yeah, TCG, yeah. I know, Andreas, yeah, it seems to be a theme lately though. Not being patient. And full transparency, guys, I'm trading like 5 contracts on my funded account. I know some of you guys have been wondering. So I snatched 56 points today, about. So just over 50 points, I guess. Not 56, but 50 points. I'm trading $100 a point, which is making my hair fall out, but hey, it's all good. It's making my hair fall out, but then I'm growing hair in places I don't want to grow hair, so. Design Knob, what's happening? Yeah, I'm gonna watch some gold too, I think, Nicholas. It's a good idea. I'm also gonna keep an eye on the YM. It starts to move. You trading some copper? Design Knob? Nice. Michael Giannis, what's going on? Big rollers have hairy ears. We're just stuck right here at that 20,000, huh? We're gonna battle it out right here for a minute, I take it. You had 550k accounts, Nicholas, and now they are gone into one live. I'm not a fan of that. Oh, yeah, I hear you. But at least they allowed, yeah. That's pretty awesome, though. How much are they putting in there? It's got to be quite a bit. Good chunk. Especially if you're trading 150k accounts. Those are nice to have. But yeah, it's too bad. Like, about 45k. Nice. Good for you, man. That's a good size. It's pretty good. What's drawdown? Not sure. Not sure, honestly. What do you mean drawdown? On the live account? Oh, okay, yeah. 4.5k drawdown. Nice. That's not too bad. Is that something that you usually, is that within your normal risk anyway? 4.5. That's kind of like what I do on my personal account. If I get down to like 5 grand, then it's like, all right, It's like my personal loss limit. Yeah, okay. Yeah, going into live mentally, yeah, no, for sure. That's why they do it. That's why they do it. And then you can't have any more XFAs, right? You can't like have some on the side anymore. You used to be able to, but not anymore. So we were pushing down here, 19,954. We were just hanging at that 20,000 mark, really. Could sweep down here, the 970s, test this wick. I'm thinking YM. Looking interesting for the gap fill. Something I'm gonna be watching on my travels. I need an alert. Yeah, no more combines. Okay, yeah. Yeah. It's alright, bro. I mean, you're a good trader. You know, you'll make it work. You'll turn that 45K into 100K in no time. But I know what you mean. Psychologically, Top Step does that. I know when I was a new trader, if you guys know, like when you get an account with Top Step, it always goes to 0. You get your funded account, the balance goes to 0. And the other props, it's usually, so you have a 50K account, it says 50,000. And Top Step, it always goes to 0. And that used to mentally mess with me a lot. Hey Vince, what's going on? Might take a copper short, it's so risky. $12.50 a tick, but it moves in increments of 5 cents, so a dollar move. Wow. Gold's hanging right out there. What a move on gold. Wow. Crazy. Wish I was holding some physical gold, but how does the live payout work, Nicholas? I think it's you can take daily payouts, right? Thought you could. Just ain't right. What's going on? Daily payouts after 30 winning days. Wow. I thought it was daily payouts right as soon as you went live, but so it's the same rules as the XFAs. 5 winning days probably. Hey Mo, what's going on? Yeah, 30 days is a lot. It's the same rules until then. So yeah, 5 winning days of what, 200? And then you can take a payout. So if you get 5 winning days of 200, you could take half that payout. No, they got a limit now. They have a limit of 10,000, right? Huh. Yeah. All right, pushing down here. 1985. 9,085. I keep saying 1985. 19,985. This is the right gold, yeah. GC M5. Copper? Okay. Kinda looks the same as gold. Kinda looks weak. We do have some room to the upside though. It does break above this range here. Copper. I don't know how you trade that. What is it, a point or a tick? Wanted to click the button just to see. JC Trades, what's going on? Feeling still waiting for me to activate Master after 2 weeks? What? Oh, they're waiting for you to activate. Oh, okay. I was gonna say. Alright, Smokey. Thanks, buddy. Hey, Cove, what's going on? Alright. Oh, Donna, I'm going to Vegas. Yeah, Amelia. We go hang out with Jay. Maybe, Donna. Maybe. Yeah, I'm going to hang out with Rips. We go play poker with Rips. Hey, Woodchip, how's it going? You long? Possible Cove. Maybe I'll reach out to him. I'll hit him up. Let's go get some pizza. Tomorrow morning, Vince. I'm leaving at 7 a.m. tomorrow, and it's a nightmare to get there. Go gamble with him till 5 a.m. I've never been. It's gonna be pretty wild. Oh, you were going to Vegas to sign up? Nice. But you have to wedding here instead. Oh. Uh-oh. Just lost my chat. Yeah, Vince, it's a long flight. Well, so I have to fly to Boston. Jake Gambler faces off. You should really hit him up. Your 30 minutes. Your 30 minutes, Vince. Wow. I mean, nosebleed games. I sure would love to have you there. would be like out of the door for a seat. Yeah. Alright, yeah, that would be awesome, Vince. Tell him to pick me up in Augusta, Maine. Yeah, so I have to fly, so I have to take a little prop plane. A little prop plane. I'll show you what it looks like. I've taken this before to Boston, so it's the easiest way for me to get out of Maine. I'll show you what the plane looks like. So I've taken one of these. I've taken one of these planes right here to Boston. It actually might look like this one. It's like one of these. So I take one of these to Boston and then Boston direct. So I can be in from Augusta, Maine to Boston in about an hour in that thing. And then I'll hop on the jet. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, Vince. Going by myself. Yeah, Cove, no. Not private, but I've taken one to Boston before, and I like flying anyway. It's kind of my thing. I've always wanted to be a pilot, so flying in one of those is kind of fun for me, but yeah, some people don't like it. Some people do not like it. Yeah, I do too. I love small planes. I just want to get away for a bit, Cove. Yeah, nothing. So I should be coming back Tuesday next week. So I should be back on stream like Wednesday, Thursday, I'm thinking. I'm staying at the Hilton Resort thing. The Hilton Resort. Hilton something, yeah. I forgot. Resort World? Is that what it's called? Resort World. By Hilton or something like that. Yeah, it's on the Strip. It's on the Strip. Full-time trader, what's going on? Yeah, that might be it, Donna. I'm gonna take a long here. It's eval. Might target up here actually. Yeah, it's at the end of the strip, yep. Yeah, I got my walking shoes ready. You usually stay around the Venetian, nice. Yeah, I don't really know too much. It's gonna be quite the Hilton Art Resorts World, yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. Simon of Lee, what's going on? Crazy buffet at Sapphires. Yeah, Cove. Yeah, Cove, I think we would have some fun out there, for sure. I think you and I are kind of degens. We'd get along pretty good, I think. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to get away from the screens a little bit. Yeah, it's fairly new, Vince. Yeah, that's what I heard. But I plan on making some content while I'm out there, a little bit, maybe some shorts or whatever. But yeah, I'll probably trade a little bit tomorrow while I'm traveling because I gotta have a layover in Boston for a bit. So I'll probably pop on the charts. So breaking above the VWAP here, I'm looking for a little push up. The market's really not moving. It's like that 20,000 is acting as a resistance big time. YM, like I said before, I mean, we are just itching to fill that gap down there. YM left that new week opening gap still, which is very surprising to me. ES, NASDAQ all filled it. YM is lagging. Green Day, Simon, nice. Exactly, Cove. Some OnlyFans content. You know it. Vince, funny. All right, Cove. Catch you later, man. Pine coming back with STD? No, definitely not. Definitely not. You're funny, Amelia. Whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, except herpes. Yeah, for sure. The gift that keeps on giving, they call that, right? Oh, after Vince's offer? Yeah, exactly, yeah. No, I'm good. All right. Pushing up here. Gold is looking interesting too. I'm watching gold here. Possible gold play. Hey Terry, what's going on? Terry Trades 100 in the house. So since you're on, Terry, and we got over 70 people watching, Terry is doing a giveaway on her X right here. If you guys want to enter, if you're on X, just follow Terry Trades 100, and she is giving away a Take Profit Trader account. I'm just gonna follow the instructions here. Nothing major, just follow her account and repost the or tag 3 people, comment below, and then repost it so it spreads. So she's giving away a free 50K Take Profit account if you guys want to check that out. Free account, guys. Yeah, and she's announcing the winner tomorrow. You don't have 3 people to tag? You can tag me with Chip. That's one. But I hear you. Then you can tag Terry, so there's 2. Oh, I missed it. Sorry, full-time trader. If I continue to have a record week a month, I might splurge and fly a few of you guys down to my sport fish. Oh, nice, full-time trader. Yeah, you're down in Florida, right? That'd be pretty awesome. That would be awesome. I'd be game for that. I never was on X either. Yeah, I started the X for the channel, which is really cool. Hey Sherry, you like the Project X? Yeah, I do too. I don't mind Project X. I prefer Trade-Evate, but I don't mind it. All right, market's a little slow tonight. I am watching gold. Gold seems to be moving pretty good. It's headed right back into the range though. Take a look at gold. Looked like it was starting to break down and then pushing back up, right back into this range. This mess. You can see you in person finally. You heard good things about Terry? Haven't checked her out yet. Yeah, she's got a YouTube channel too. Terry Trades 100 on YouTube too. So, yep, Terry Trades 100. All one word. I'll show you the YouTube too. Her YouTube's growing fast. Really good trader. I'm gonna post her. I'm gonna post the link to her YouTube in the chat here in just a second. As soon as I can find my own channel. Oop, echoing. Mike Garcia, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. There we go. If you guys want to follow Terry, our YouTube is right there. She posts content pretty much every day, so, and she's thinking about going live soon, so that'll be exciting. Yeah, that's Terry's link right there if you guys want to sub. No, Woodchip. We actually trade very similar. She uses 5-minute bars, and yeah, she doesn't really use any indicators or anything. Should have group live sessions. Yeah, that's something that might be in the works. Actually, Nicholas, might be in the works. You sub to the wrong Terry Trades? Yeah, it's not Tory Trades. Terry trades. Terry trades actually shows entries when she trades. Use the 15-second bar. Nice. Alright, we are in a long. It's not moving, but we are in a long. Yeah, couldn't see the chat there. There we go. Zabak, what's happening? Market's is a little slow right now. Yeah, we're just hanging out at 20,000. Very interesting. We nearly closed right around that 20,000 too. I don't know what actual settlement price was, but $20,575 maybe. I don't know. But yeah, right at that 20K, and I knew, I was like, oh, is it gonna like just sit here? So I'm gonna watch some gold too. Might trade some gold. Push down through here. You short at 20,000? You ran to the store, came back, and you were break even? I was in short today, big time on, I was short from 1970, or 975. 175, I mean. Right here. And I went to Dunkin' Donuts. 5 contracts on the E-Trade, and I was listening to Alpine, and it was coming down to the lows, and I was like, oof, all right, making some money. So I was up. So all right, I made $5,600 today on the personal account. But here's a little story, since I got 80 people watching now. I was up $9,000 today in the personal, and I gave back 4,000 because I wanted that 10K. I wanted that 5-figure day. So did it feel like a win today? It did in a way, but yeah. Hey, J Money, PCE tomorrow. There was a huge buy order. Yeah, it was huge buy order at 20,000, just sitting there on a book map all afternoon. I knew they would fill it. Oh, nice, Johnny Dundee. Yeah, kind of crazy we left that big gap, Johnny, on YM down there. Still, the new week opening gap. Kind of crazy. Yeah, I had a stop loss, Coach Fred. I did have a stop loss in. Yep. But I had no take profit. I came back and it was, I think it was around 20,010. I ended up taking profit. And yeah, at one point I was up to like $90, $100, like realized gain. And I got back into another trade and then lost like 2,000, got back into another trade, ended up going like, I don't know, I lost some more money, ended up getting almost back to break even. I almost came back at the whole 9,000, and then I just felt a little tilty, and then I ended up calming down a bit, and then ended up getting in the short somewhere around in here, and then ended up getting that late day flush with 5 contracts, and ended up, what, $5,600 or something like that. So yeah. Did I ask for extra guacamole? Extra guacamole? No, not today. No, all I did is went and I got a Dunkin' Donuts breakfast sandwich and some hash browns. That's all I got. A bacon, egg, and cheese on an everything bagel. And then they burnt it. But I was going about 10 miles an hour over the speed limit to get back home, to get back on the computer. Just 10. Yeah, it was tough, Terry, yeah. But it's all good. I mean, right? The entire day, Amelia, yeah. Yeah, over the course of the day. Because when I left stream, I think I was up a couple thousand. Whatever, and I was kind of going like roller coaster. It was, I don't know. I overtraded. I really did. You long 19,996. Nice. Oh yeah, so ain't I. Good luck to you, Johnny. This is an intraday account too. But yeah, I think we could push up into this gap. Still watching gold here. Gold is still pushing up here. It's testing that 3,100 again. Looking for another short, Nicholas. Yeah, gold loves to rip those all-time highs, and then you get the pullbacks. You get quite violent, for sure. It's kind of like the gold standard. But yeah, no, it loves to like rug pull. But yeah, what a bullish. Gold is so bullish. You know, if you look at the daily, it's just insane. Delivering IV medication tonight from Milwaukee to Wisconsin. Oh, nice. Nice, Dan. What app is that? It must be like that Roadie app or whatever it is, or the longer delivery one. Alright, we got the turtle markets going on. Got 80 people watching. If you guys do me a favor and smash the like button. Oh, it is Roadie? Nice. Yeah, if it's paying well. Yeah. I appreciate that, Dan. Appreciate the support. That's what I love about the stream, is knowing that you guys are hanging out at home while you're trading. Some of you guys are listening in the car. We have some truck drivers that listen while they're in the truck. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Some of you guys, I think it was a while back, I think it might have been Dell. Dell was watching it on the TV, on the big screen or something, he said, with his wife or girlfriend or something. I don't know if he's married, but yeah, that was funny. Make his wife watch. Alright, we are long still. Still like it. Very bullish candle off the VWAP, so see if we can kind of break out of this 20,000 area. Putting in an inside bar here. Long and strong. But yeah, it was a pretty rough day on my funded accounts. I pretty much smoked them all. So yeah, I got a little rebuilding to do, which is perfectly fine. Do a little rebuilding and taking a little break, and I'm gonna reevaluate the way I treating my prop firm accounts. So in order for me to do that, usually it's like, you know, I gotta step away from the screens too, but clear your head. I'm not complaining. I'm having a very good month financially, but you know, because of the personal account. But yeah, the prop firms, I don't know, trading too big, too aggressive, being too greedy, looking for you know, like the other day I was up $900 on my Buellanox account, the master accounts, on stream. Like, we traded it that morning. I was up $900. Got off stream, went, ate breakfast, came back, sat back down, blew the accounts. It's like, you're up $900 on the day, you know? And I was like saying like I wasn't even feeling it that day. So yeah, it's a little greed. Gotta trade those accounts for 10 days anyway. Hey Ace, what's going on? Kept oscillating around that VWAP all day. Yeah, we did. Yeah. Yeah, that can get you chopped up too around that VWAP. Went on till Not really a tilt. The other day I was tilty. Monday, I think it was. That was tilt. Today, yeah, I guess it was a little bit of tilt. But yeah, I guess I was down on the fundeds. Yeah, you're probably right, Carlos. Yeah, I've been thinking about it. I've been strategizing with my trading buddy a little bit. We've been talking about sizing down and kind of going for those multiple accounts type deals. But yeah, I'm gonna think about it over the next couple days. Must be drinking from my well. Must did the exact same thing on my Belanox. Yeah, Kevin. Yeah, I've been using a free AI auto NQES charts on YouTube. OCSAI. It's interesting, huh? That is interesting, Johnny. OCSAI. Take a look. Oops, spelled it wrong. Oh yeah. That's what Johnny's talking about. If anyone, OCSAI. I like Trader Oracle too. Have you guys subscribed to Trader Oracle? This guy, Trader Oracle. He also has a live, scanners and indicators and stuff like that. If you guys are into that stuff. Think about how much time it takes to make that much money in the real world. Definitely step away from the screens to rebuild the perspective. Yeah, Dan, 100%. Yeah, this is like same thing. Like I was saying, I was up $9,000 in the personal account and I wanted 10. Like why? Like really? $9,000 in a day? That's yeah, that's like $2 million a year. If you did that every trading day. So yeah, no, you're absolutely right, Dan. Past my trade day account. I always forget about trade day, Ace. I always forget about trade day. I used to be funded with trade day. Yeah, I used to be funded, like way back. I had Top Step and I had trade day. Got 1069 today, times 3, copies 3K. Yeah, right. Johnny, yeah. Copying accounts, powerful. I am yet to watch streams and do my own trading simultaneously. Need some practice. I get distracted if I'm watching stream during New York session. Yeah, Ace, I do the same thing. I usually, when I'm watching streams, like when I'm not streaming, and I'm watching someone else, I'm usually done trading, or it's someone that trades nothing like me at all. You've been watching the OCS AI too? Oh, nice, Joe Jim. You watch it too, Nate? What is it? What do we have? OCS AI bots in this chat? Not just kidding. Tony, you watch it too? Alright, I'm gonna have to check it out. You know what? I didn't even subscribe. I gotta subscribe. AI trader. I'll even say hi in the chat. Yo. Well, we just gave back that bullish candle. Almost the whole thing. Really strange. Hold on one second. Hearing things. Been watching it over a month, Tony? Nice. You were up responsibly this morning, 900 on a 25k eval. Kept pushing it and blew it. And blew it, yeah. Yeah. You guys posted on it? Yeah, wood chip. Yeah, I was up on my take profit trader, up into the money. Could have got a daily payout on it today, on stream this morning, and I ended up thinking the YM was going to keep pushing down on this big rip down from the open, and we were in short, and it was a nice position. We were in 3 contracts, ended up taking 2 off down here. It pushed back up, and I said, oh, this is going for that gap. Like, that's what I kept thinking. So I added 2 back on the short, and the intraday came back and got me on that 25k. And yeah, but I got another 50k passed today, take profit trader, so that'll be good. So I should have that maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I think maybe tomorrow, but I probably won't trade it. You can't add. Yeah, if I like doing it, but so the intraday trailing accounts, you got to be really careful. That's for sure. End of day, it's not as bad. But yeah, no, I like adding to the winning trade on momentum, and I really felt like we were getting that momentum on the YM, but yeah, pulled back. I remember it was right on this candle here. Yeah, it was this 940 candle, and yeah, I ended up adding right in here as it was pulling back here. Just kind of looking for that wick test. Added 2, and thinking it was just gonna keep rolling over and head for that gap, but nope. She B-bottomed and came back and got me really quick. So yeah, unfortunately. Yeah, honest take, I know. That's the biggest issue with take profit trader. You know, that everyone has, but is that when you get funded, it turns to intraday, which is a little weird. But I get it. I know why they do it. You know, they're protecting their company, but boy, I mentioned trade day and I get an ad for trade day, huh? On X. They're listening. Alright, I gotta stop just below this little swing low here. Could be in jeopardy. I do want to watch more gold tonight. I might actually try a cheap gold short here. I'm gonna put a stop right just above the high. Kind of look for something like that, maybe. Still in the Nasdaq long. It's not doing too well. We're in a gold short. Stops just above this range high, so I think it's a cheap short. Breaking below the VWAP here. Do have some gaps down here. But we'll see. Thanks, Nate. We'll see if it works. I think I like these cheap trades. I think the stop loss makes sense. If you push up above and start pushing, then we're wrong. My market's pretty slow, even gold's slow. Nasdaq's holding up here. It's looking good. I see the elevator down. Oof. Wow, look at that rejection off the VWAP, huh? That was a nasty candle. Or nasty drop. Do we have the big lots playing around again tonight? On the order books? 400 lots of back, maybe? Nope. Not seeing anything. The VWAP sucks. I know. Look at that. Just brutal. It does get in the way with chip. It does get in the way. Especially when I'm trying to long here and then VWAP's right here. I feel like we're gonna get stopped out now. Possibly head down and test this wick down here in 974s. Kind of feels like it. We're just gonna hold. Might widen the stop just a bit. Let it come get me. It's an eval, guys, too. think it's gonna get me. Feels pretty heavy now. That was a pretty nasty rejection off the VWAP. That dropped like 10 points in like a second, which tells me that someone with a lot more money than me just sold. Dumped some shares right there. Yep. There it goes. There she goes. What's YM doing? Curious. Gold's alright still. Curious what the YM's doing here. You know what my brain thinks? My brain thinks, we're gonna push down and fill that gap. It's what, 100 points away now? I think it's about 100 points. $150 points away, 229 points to fill the gap-ish on the YM. It can do it. Alright, the gold is saving me a little bit. The gold short. Nasdaq's pushing lower. Headed for 19,937. You're short 998. Yeah, where am I short? Yeah, I'm saying 9984. You need a curvaceous sea turtle to slow dance with. Where you going, Dell? You said you were on vacation too, right? Wrong with the YM chart? Oh, never mind. Yeah, everything's wrong with the YM chart, Amelia. Everything. Don't make sense. Don't make sense that we didn't fill that gap down there. La Georgia? La Georgia? You joking? Or just Georgia? Or is that a real place, La Georgia? Just Georgia? That's what I thought. Okay. I'm Googling it over here, Dell. You got me Googling. I'm like, La Georgia? We're in Georgia. My buddy lives in Savannah. Nice place. If you guys live in Georgia and close to Savannah, check out my buddy's barbershop. Oh, Macon? Yeah, my father lived in Macon for a while. I think. At the, Robbins Air Force Base? Something like that. Maybe he's listening, maybe you can type it in. Made it to New Glarus. Dan's making a delivery. Wanna kick it with the homies? Nice, Dell. This is my buddy, one of my best friends. You guys live in Savannah, Georgia. He has his own barbershop here. Cool guy. old friend barbershop, shave parlor. Tell them I sent you. Down in Savannah. So we're still short gold. We just got stopped out on that NQ trade. Yeah, not very good price action on the NQ so far. Not that bad either, but boy, nice in hindsight, obviously. Break of the inside bar, the very first one of the session. The 10 point. Worked out. I gotta mark that down. What's the date today? 3/27. Oh, he's still in, Johnny. You're holding. I got stopped out. Yeah, she's looking like he wants to test this 36 down here, but I don't know. It could find some support here. Yeah, I don't know. Looking weak. Really thought about taking a YM short. Really did. Up here. Now it feels like it's going without me. But the book map's just looking thin. Look how thin this NQ book map looks. Just one lot. We have news tomorrow, right? Like bigger news. GDP and PCE. 8:30. Yeah, the book map's looking thin. Thin. Nope, I don't really look at the 3-bar reversals, Dell. No. I don't. It's just, nope, I don't give it much thought, to be honest with you. All I'm looking for is a break of the inside bar, Dell. So I look for a break here. So like if I was just to place a bracket, so something like this. Oh, let me do this. Something like this. So I would just look for a break. Like that. Oops. I can't do it because this count is blown, but so I just place a bracket here, and then my stop would go above, and then I'd look for a break, and then my target usually is like a significant level or something, so I look for targets. But yeah, that's it. It's just no brain to it. That's about as simple as it gets. When you have two inside bars like this, I like to take the the first one. So you have 1, 2. I like to take the break of this one here. You can see it worked. It's a pretty good day for it too. Like you see right here, this was a good one. Nice long off this one. This one was okay, but not great. This was another nice one. Nice long there. And this was a beautiful short here. Another beautiful short here. I think this is what got my profits back on my personal account right here. It was this inside bar. Came down, broke below the VWAP, put in an inside bar. I took the break, 5 contracts. Bingo bango. Now I'm gonna take and put it right on the blackjack table. No, the indicator is, I'll tell you, LDT inside outside bars. So LDT inside outside bars on Trade-O-Vate, and I just have the inside bars painted. The outside bars I don't. That's it. Power Pack Tube. Hey, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. What is the name of that indicator? Yeah, it's just the LDT inside and outside bars, and yeah, just like what I explained, I just look for the break of it, and the stop goes on the opposite end. And obviously they're not all the same size, so you gotta be careful. Yeah, that's it. Yep, just take the trade on the break of the bar. Not everyone. There is some discretion. But like I've been lately I've been trading like the first inside bar of like the session, so like the New York session or the market reopen here. I've been looking at that. For like little scalps. I've been forward testing it since the beginning of the year for the first inside bar, and so far I'm hitting like just over 70% on a 1-to-1 trade. So something I'm still forward testing. I don't have great confidence in it, but you can see it's easier to see on Trade-O-Vate. We're still in the gold short too, guys. Yeah, here, this first inside bar here. Like hardly any drawdown whatsoever. And got a nice move off it. 45 points, easy 45 points. So yeah, that's one of my strats. Actually, gold's looking pretty good. Preston Clark, thank you for the sub, appreciate it. So gold's looking pretty good. Let's see, I'm just looking for something. Oh, so yeah, if you guys are new, I just made a little strat video recently, actually. I'll put it in the chat there. So I tried to make that strat, this video as brief and fast as possible, so it's not super boring, because I know how the strategy videos can get boring, so that, yeah. Yeah, we did, Alyssa. What's going on, Alyssa? Might have missed some of your chat there. What do you think of the Audacity Capital straight to funding up to 2 million over 150,000 traders? Huh, I don't know anything about them, Johnny. Never heard of Audacity Capital. Is that like a real prop firm? Oh, it looks like it's overseas. Audacity Capital. Huh. Yeah, we did, Alyssa, and we didn't fill it in the YM, which is interesting. Yeah, I was just looking at it. I don't know anything about it. I never heard of them. 150,000 traders, huh? That's a lot of traders. I wonder how many like top step, like how many traders they have, and whether it's funded traders or just active traders to like you know. I'm gonna take a long here off the inside bar. I think if we target, say, like 15 points up to that, the VWAP, possibly. Hey, Bussy. My hubby got into trading, thought I'd see what it's about. Uh-oh. Doing a little research. Want to see how much of gamblers and degens we are? Oh, I'm just joking. But yeah, welcome to the stream. So right now, I'm trading in evaluations. So this is simulated money that I'm trying to pass these accounts, so I can get money to. Oh, Della, that's your wife. Bussy. I was saying Bussy. I just saw bus. So Bussy, what's going on? So you want to know how much of a degen your husband is? It's funny. Hope you guys enjoy your vacation, or maybe Dal's just going on vacation. I don't know. Hopefully he told you. Boosie. He's reverse mortgaging the house. Alright, we are long NASDAQ. We are short gold. See what we can do here. Gold's looking nice. I like this, but we gotta break out of this range though. Little push up on NASDAQ here. Look, he just want to see the dancing avocado. I appreciate that. Yeah, I love avocados, and then I saw that and I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool. Appreciate the sub. Avocado see-do. Yeah, I like the dancing avocado. Oof, what a rejection there. Am I actually at the low here? Yeah, kinda. Think we're going back up? I think so too. Oh, it didn't show? Yeah, I didn't get it on. Maybe she has the account, the privacy. Sometimes when people have their YouTube accounts on private or whatever, then it won't show me who subs, I guess. But that's alright. You can make up a lot. Like, you can make up a few accounts and then try it if you want. Just kidding. Keep subbing with all your alt accounts. Alright, pushing up here, 969. We are long. And we are short gold. Gold's looking nice. Stop just above this high of this range here on gold. See if we can get a push down into this gap. Did I see the 90% off Apex code with rips? Yeah, I did, Alyssa. Yeah, I actually promoted it this morning to people that were watching. I picked up a few myself. I already blew them, but I did pick up a few. There, it is recurring too, so I'll be rebuild next month for the discount. So, but yeah, I promoted it for the peeps that were watching me. See, so they could get in on it because it is a good deal. So. You think Dan Q's dipping down, Daniel mid? Yeah, possibly. We'll see. Could possibly head to that 937s. Is it 937s? Yeah, down here. Could possibly head down there. But I see my setup, so I'm going to take it. Cohen's, what's going on? I don't think I've seen you in the chat either. Thank you for the sub. If you guys are new and I missed you, appreciate the new subs. Really appreciate you guys. We are at almost 900 subs, which is amazing. $8.89. So if you guys haven't subbed already, go ahead and sub. See if we can get over 900. See right here, 889. Pretty awesome. Kind of putting in a bear flag here, not gonna lie. Not really looking that good. Little bear flag action. Like that. But we'll see. And Nvidia's pushing lower. It's the break of the inside bar, Daniel. So it's the break. So whatever the break is, that's how I determine. Hey, Cohen's, thank you for the sub. Now it's coming in. It's coming in late. Delayed. Yep, exactly, Daniel. Yep. And I mean, during the overnight markets, it doesn't work as great because of the lower liquidity, but you know, during the New York and stuff, it works pretty good. Like, it worked really good today, this afternoon. It was kind of on fire. You can see, it's so much easier to see it on Trade Elite. Yeah, you can see a nice moves here. Well, that was the overnight. That was the first inside bar strat right there. This was a beautiful one. This was a nice one. And then you just place your stop on the opposite end. So something like this, I would have targeted like up here to this candle. It's a 97, so would have been a nice 30-point win, possibly. Things like that. These ones are a little more tough. These ones right here, because you're already like pushing up higher. Like this candle here, I would have definitely taken this, targeted the top of this candle. So 40 points, and you're risking $16. You're risking 16 for 40 points. Pretty good. This one is a little iffy because it's like, what are you targeting? You know, I like to target the what they call the mother candle, which is here. So it's a little risky. This one right here, same thing. On the short, like where's your target? Here. Your risk is way up here. So not a very good one. And yeah, it's kind of how I look at it. This one, oh, I didn't show you that one. Like this is a cheap one too. Sort of, sort of. Not really. Because like what you target here, not very great. Yeah, I don't know. Market's going nowhere fast. Copper's done selling off. Have to wait to see if we're gonna sell off. Okay, so yeah, I answered that. Things we do for our wives. One day she'll understand though. Yeah. Trying to explain trading, yeah, to your wife who's not a trader is probably pretty difficult. Honey, I need another $100 for these Buellanox accounts. Hey, J Money, what's going on? There's 961, but I mentioned before the market opened. Let's see. Oh, nice, J Money. Someone stopped me from entering a copper short. Vegas, Alfred. Vegas. What's going on, Alfred? Hey, babe, why is the credit card bill so high? Yeah. Gotta watch that. You know, not financial advice or whatever, but yeah, like a debit card is definitely smarter. Like if you're getting payouts and then kind of keeps track, so like, you know. But I like my credit card points, that's for sure. Credit card points are nice. Joker Trades, what's happening? How's it going, buddy? Check a look at our gold short here. We've been in this gold trade for quite a while now. Evals make great anniversary gifts. That's funny, yo, Jim. Yeah, the cashback credit card points. Yeah, I know. Love those. My credit card company loves me. Like most of the dings you hear on my phone is credit card. It's credit card charges for rebills and stuff. Dings, ding. Just know every time that phone dings, it's probably costing me money. So yeah, we're getting that bear flag. NQ. I'm not loving this trade, but we're gonna hold it. A nice flag break there. This could be a nice short entry, actually. Kind of sat in this trade a little too long, you know. The longer you start sitting in it, and you go, But yeah, nice flag break. Show you. In case you don't want to buy PW's course. There it is. So, flagpole, flag, break. Little ugly. Not textbook, but there it is. Every kiss begins with 50K. The day couples start gifting accounts to each other. If you get a 25K account, it's not that special. 150K is great. Direct to funding, she loves you a lot. Do we have any couples that trade? That hang out here? I know there's some on Cove Traders chat. I know there's some on Cove Traders chat. My girlfriend gifted me 350Ks this morning because of the sale. Nice, cousin. Swingers, no shame in the game. No, we both can't be tilting. De Beers is PA forever. You guys are funny. Alright, so this trade is not looking good. I love that flag break there for short. But we'll see. Stops just below the low here, so you know, I've gotten lucky before. Still in that gold trade too. Preston Clark. NQ closes me out, 295 loss. Oh. Yeah, we're taking a little heat too. Gold's actually turning up as well. None of it's looking good. NQ's trying to hold that low. I have a feeling we might just sweep below that. Copper just ripped. Maybe I should be trading copper. How much per point is that? Or tick? Where is it? Right there. $12.50 per tick? Wow. I guess it really doesn't move that much. For all the London people and the London sessions, dead on YouTube. So you got what? So we got stopped out there. NQ. Yeah. So to try to take the inside bar break there, kind of. All right. So this is hindsight, right? It's kind of what I was talking about before. Right? So you have the mother candle here. You want to target the top, right? So technically it would have hit take profit, but very poor risk to reward. I thought maybe we'd push up above, kind of fill some of this gap. The VWAP didn't happen. Put in a nice, trend line. Flag type break to the downside, triggered a short right there. Kind of felt like, oh, I'm gonna get stopped out on this, and after that, and sure enough we did. So that's a nice setup too, that bear flag break. So taking a little heat on this account here. That's alright. Trades by Slade, yeah, he does London. Trades by Slade. We got 0 day. We got Newts McBoots. Yeah, I don't know anyone else. I'm asleep. I'm sleeping. Coming from trading stocks, I gotta get out of the scalper mindset and let my future trade cook longer. I'm going for a baseball and golf. Good grief. Yeah, it's really tough to start. Yeah, you got Tom Sabo too. Yeah, it's tough to get out of that mental, the scalping mentality, for sure. Something I'm getting much better on my personal account. Like today, I took over 50 points. I was up over 90 points. You know, 30-point winners, things like that. John Amos, D from Top Step does London. Oh yeah, D. Yeah, I know D. Previous rejection around 950s on the NQ. Yeah, you got Tom Sabo too. Shorty rockers in the house. Hey Raylan, what's going on? Yeah, people wanted me to trade London, and I'm like, no. I'm not getting up at 2 in the morning or 3 in the morning. Not willingly. Sometimes I'm awake, but not willingly. Nate, Kevin, try taking your first trade based on your initial assessment for the morning. Set brackets, walk away 1 or 2 micros. After a few hit, you'll be able to size up mentally. Thank you, Nate. Thank you for the suggestions. Bro, I never traded London. I don't have the strength to get up that early. I know, me either. It's too early for me. On the East Coast, no thanks. No, thank you. That's on my phone telling me that I'm spending more money. Alright, gold. Do something. Just in a range. Big time range right here. It's looking really good. And then right back to entry. You traded London for a week and messed up your sleep schedule? Oh, well, yeah. For sure, Alfred, yeah, I'm not going to do it. Because you're from Georgia. You're from the East Coast, too. I think you're from Georgia, right? I just got stay up for London and New Mexico. Oh, right, yeah, so 3 hours behind. So, yeah, it's midnight, so... Yeah, no, I can't do it. Alright, we're still in this gold trade. Down 597 on this eval. Got stopped out twice on that NASDAQ, the nasty NASDAQ. I'll give that a shot. I need to wipe out P&L from my memory too. Yeah, so that is a good point, Nate. I'll talk a little bit about one of my strategies. I like what you're talking about. While we're in this gold short that's not doing anything, and I don't like anything on the NASDAQ, so so I do have. So like one of my strategies on YM I like to take is the aggressive school run trade by Tom Hugard. And it's one of those trades that you can literally take in the morning and just walk away. Win or loss, you know, you can walk away. And my strategy is basically, so I'll just change this here to 1200, which is 1200 is about 130 points on the YM and about 30 point stop loss. Right? I don't know. $5 a point? No. Anyways, it's about $600. So like on the YM here. So 945 break right here. Aggressive school run. And so I buy one right here, right? On the break of the 945 candle. Oops, I did that wrong. Why is it moving? Oh, it keeps entering me in a trade. Sorry. That's why. I'm not used to Project X, to be honest with you. Alright, so stop by, whatever. And I set a bracket. So the 945 candle, set a bracket. I set 130 point plus stop, take profit, and walk away off the 945 candle. That's like one of my strats, and that's literally a strat that I can just do and leave for the day. And I just flattened my gold trade, didn't I? Because I hit flatten all. What a noob. Which is alright, because I think it looks like it's pushing higher, but yeah, so I like what you're saying, Nate. And it just helps with the mental loss, and it helps with being able to walk away from a trade on a red day, things like that. Because like throughout my back testing, you know, it's profitable at the end of the year, you know. I think I made 4,500 points last year, for almost 5,000 points off that trade. And yeah. But the discipline is to be able to, if you are red, to just leave it alone for the day. Come back the next day. That's where the discipline comes in. And can you go red 4 days in a row? 5 days in a row? Knowing that that strategy is still profitable at the end of the year? You know, that's the trick. That's where the mental exercise comes in. So it gets pretty tough sometimes. Yeah, that's right. Mental, like micromanaging your trades, Nate, for sure. You know, micromanaging your trades. Sometimes just walking away is good. You know, walking away is good. I try to look at points, but since I've been doing it so long, like I know what I'm trading, like especially when I'm trading 5 minis on my personal, because I've worked my way up to 5 minis, so that's $100 a point. So it's really easy to calculate. So it's like you kind of know like how many points you get by the dollar signs and vice versa. So I try to like calculate points. best I can. Like, that's what I'm looking at. But it's harder to figure out dollar signs if you're trading micros and different sizes and whatever. But you know, when you're trading one mini, you know that 10 points is $200 and 20 points is 400 and 15 points is 300 and, you know, things like that. 100 points is 2,000. YM is $5 a point, so market is dead. Do I trade Apex or other props different from the personal account? I trade the same setups, Alyssa. Yeah, I trade the same setups. So no, I don't really trade them any differently. I think I've just been trading my prop accounts a little too aggressive, like you say, you know. Can't be trading them with two minis, really. No, not the same size, no. Nope. Take profit trader, when I got the big payout the other day, when I made 5,700 on day one off the 25K account, I was trading 5 minis. 3 minis, not 5, 3 minis, which is plenty. But it was I caught a momentum move. You know, I don't remember exactly which one it was, but like I caught something like this, you know. You know, just a big move. But yeah, I trade too big. Because I fully admit it. But my R&R is still good, then it's fine. Like, I do go through a lot of accounts, but you know, I add them up every day. So like what I spend on evals, what I spend on resets, what I spend on activation fees, what I'm getting in payouts, what I'm making on my personal, things like that. Yeah, exactly, Amelia. And that's kind of been my thinking lately, Amelia, and I think that's why I haven't been caring about the props as much. But it's like, you know, I like getting those payouts too, and it's a lot less risk. So I'm definitely going to be doing some evaluation on my mental evaluation while I take a little break, and yeah, come back with a new way of looking at the props, perhaps a new way of I don't know. We'll see. I haven't figured it out yet. But yeah, I definitely need to slow down a little bit. Still net profitable, but probably right now because of my personal account for this last month. For January and February, it's profitable in the props, no question. Profitable in everything, really. But March, definitely probably not profitable in the props themselves. But yeah, we're up, what, 45,000 something this month in the personal, which is not bad. I did take that little hit the other day. Yeah, maybe 44,000 this month, personal. But yeah, I was up At one point I was up 50,000 this month. Gave back some, so I have enough to trade 5 minis. Power pack. Enough to trade 5 minis. It's actually linked to my investment account too. Power pack, so like my lifetime investments for my stocks. My I don't know stocks, but my portfolio. So it's linked to that because I use E-Trade to trade the futures, even though not financial advice, by the way, guys. It's just I wouldn't really recommend it. So nice power pack. Yeah, that's good. That's yeah, that's really good. 4x, right? Nice work. AI trader just went by NQ. I'll check it out. Let's see. Oh, he's got all kinds of stuff up there, huh? So strength above triggered 968. Yeah, he's looking to fill the gap like I was talking about here. Looks like on this OCS AI trader. So yeah, it's just looking to fill that gap. But yeah, definitely waited to sweep below and then pushing up. Interesting. Say hi to everyone. All right, we are pushing up now. I trade micros 2 to 4, scaling 1 micro per 1,000 profit. Nice. Yeah, that's great. Pine, does Tradeify have a scaling rule for funded? I don't think so. Don't think so. Pretty sure they don't. Yeah, if you guys are interested in Tradeify, you have to use my link in the chat, as you see, or just find it on my descriptions or whatever, and then you have to use code MAR in order for me to get credit for the affiliates. They won't give me a code until I get $1,000 in money from affiliates. So I'm about, I don't know, maybe halfway there. Yeah, I don't think they have a scaling rule, Vince. Pretty sure they don't. I just tried to look it up in the help section too, and not seeing anything. They also don't have a news trading rule. Yeah, they're pretty good. I like their rules. I've gotten a few payouts with them. They pay super quick, as fast as my funded futures. Just really fast. The very first one from Tradeify, I didn't. It went a little slow. I think they were just verifying my Rise account or whatever. And then the second one was like a minute, 2 minutes. Amelia, yes, within minutes. Yeah, exactly, Amelia. Yep. The first one was like 3 minutes. Mine actually was longer. It was like, yeah, that was like overnight. I was like, and everyone was saying how fast they were. And I'm like, I don't know, something's wrong, but the second one was super fast, and I've only gotten 2. No, I've gotten 3. I've gotten the payout from the advanced account, the growth account, and the straight to funded account. So, and I currently don't have any right now, but I'm gonna work on that too. And the other thing I like about, if you guys noticed, with Tradeify, which I like, is the 150K account. It's end of day account, but it's you're getting $6,000 in drawdown, which is pretty good. I mean, yeah, it's expensive, but I get it. Straight to funded, but 6,000 in drawdown. There's not many 150K accounts that are 6,000 in drawdown. If you go growth account, it's 5,000. But yeah, which growth is the same thing. Well, end of day, and the advanced are intraday trailing, like Apex. So cheaper evals, but you pay an activation fee. And then the growth is more expensive, but no activation fee, and end of day. But yeah, that straight to funded 150K, $600, $6,000 in drawdown. Not too bad. Rise. I believe it was Rise. Rise Works, Vince. Yep, I believe it was Rise Works. Yeah, 10 days. Yep. Thank you, Amelia. Yeah, it is Rise. All right. Another flag right here. Flag break, flag break. But yeah, if you guys would like to help support my channel, I only have really 2 codes and the Tradeify link, so 3. Use code PINE, Bulonox and Apex. Appreciate the support. Still got 80% off on Apex and 83% off on Bulonox. And really appreciate you supporting my channel by using those codes. Keeps me motivated to get on every night, hang out with you guys. I enjoy it anyway. And if you guys don't use my code, that's perfectly fine. You're welcome. If you don't use those companies, that's perfectly fine too. Terry Trades 100, all caps, for Take Profit Trader. And use code MM for My Funded Futures. So, anyways, I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. I still got some stuff I gotta do for tomorrow before I leave. So, I will see you guys next week. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll be hanging out in the Discord and things like that. Oh, let me put the link to the Discord real quick. So we do have a Discord if you guys want to join. It's 100% free. Thank you, Amelia. So yeah, so if you guys are just tuning in, I'm gonna be on vacation until next week. Thinking Wednesday and Thursday I'll be back. Maybe. Let me just put the link in the Discord here. If you guys want to join, 100% free. Look for updates. There it is. In the chat. Guys, stay safe trading the rest of the week. Tomorrow's Friday. Enjoy your weekend. And I really appreciate the support, guys. I think we'll be over 1,000 subs next month for sure. So for sure we'll be over 1,000 subs, I'm thinking. So we'll do a nice giveaway when we get to 1,000 subs for sure. Another moose race. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. Thanks everyone for the wishes. But yeah. All right, peace, guys. Wow, Nasdaq's pulling back. Stay safe, everyone. Peace. Go check out Stock Tiger.